Hey guys, are you still shopping for that perfect Christmas gift? It's Vlogmas Day 21 and I still have to get out there and find a couple more things. Hopefully this will help you out. Let me know in the comments below if this is something you've ever given as a gift, like to receive as a gift, or would think that would work really well. I'd appreciate it. Take care, guys.
The 12 Teas of Christmas. Apple black, English breakfast, orange black, moringa with hibiscus, strawberry, chamomile, vanilla, I don't know how you say that, Ceylon, jasmine, pomegranate, Earl Grey, and peach green tea. $10. And they have the 12 Cocos of Christmas. Milk chocolate, peppermint, hazelnut, gingerbread, caramel, raspberry, amaretto, cinnamon, salted caramel, double chocolate, French vanilla, and toasted marshmallow. 12 packets, $10. The 12 drinks of Christmas cocktail pitcher and stir stick. $16.99. Simple syrup included. The World Traveler Cocktail Mix Collection. Passion fruit, classic margarita, espresso martini, classic mojito, Singapore sling, mulled wine, Moscow mule, and cocktail mixer. $15.99. This is another cocktail mixer. 12 rockin' cocktails of Christmas. Strawberry punch, sleigh rider, mistletoe mojito, cool Christmas carol Cosmo, Merry Meadow margarita, peach bellini, pina colada snow, Wailing Winter.